Hello, class. This is your friendly neighborhood computer science teacher, Mr. Warren, and we will be continuing our book, Hello, Ruby. And today we will be reading chapters 4 and 5. Chapter 4, The Penguins. The first stop on the map is the home of the penguins. Now, there's one thing Ruby knows about penguins. They are very smart, but sometimes hard to understand. Ruby approaches the penguins and politely asks, "Have you seen a gem my dad could have hidden here?" Gem, a valuable stone that is cut and polished, the penguin named Tux says solemnly. Bang, splat, tick, tick, cash, the penguin with the scarf chimes in. False! My dad lives in the North Pole, concludes the chubbiest penguin. Ruby thinks about each of the answers. They almost sound like another language. She realizes she needs to be more specific when asking the penguins her questions. She tries again. Is there something smaller than my fist, cut of rock or mineral, of any color, and which is rarely seen here? True, yells the chubbiest penguin as he merrily points toward the river. Oh, so the gem is in the river. Why don't we build a raft to try to get the gem out of the water? Ruby suggests. So you can see in the picture, each penguin has their own idea of what Ruby is asking. You have one penguin who's thinking about colored dots. Another penguin, he is thinking about the actual gems. And then there's another penguin who's thinking about their family. The penguins agree and quickly organize themselves into a complex mission. They gather some sticks and Ruby lends her rope. Each little penguin and Ruby does only one small task, but together they are powerful. In no time, the raft is ready, and together they push it out into the water to find the sparkling gem. And somewhere on that page is the sparkling gem. Hopefully you were able to see it. Chapter 5, Snow Leopard. Waving goodbye to the penguins, Ruby climbs to the next stop on her map, the top of the mountain. And who does she run into but the elegant snow leopard? Snow Leopard will surely be able to help her, but something is wrong. Why are you so upset? Ruby asked. See if we can find out. I live up here because I love things that are simple and tidy. And now there is disorder, scoffs Snow Leopard. Look, it blinks. It's colorful. It hurts my eyes. Ruby glances in the direction the snow leopard is pointing and sees a faint glimmer on the roof of the snow leopard's home. It's a gem! Ruby cries out in delight, but Ruby is too small and the gem is too high up for her to reach. Focus on the pure things, Snow Leopard stoically says. Ignore the details that make things different. This will help you come up with a solution. So the snow leopard is giving her some advice. Ruby takes a moment to clear her mind. She spots a bunch of sticks on the ground. Last time, she made a raft with the penguins to get to the river. Maybe she can use the sticks and rope to make other things. She builds a simple structure of rope and sticks. repeats it 5 times, and soon has a ladder. Ta-da! So what Ruby did, if something is used, repeats itself over and over again, that's called a loop in computer science terminology. Snow leopard smiles in that special way only snow leopards know how to. The second glittering gem stowed away, Ruby thanked Snow Leopard and asked, "What is the best way to get to the garden?" And is where we will stop today. Can't wait to talk to you guys next week.